Well, here we are about, what is it, 14, 16 hours of total vacuum time on this setup. And yes, we are going through gauges. And there is no access to the low side port that is buried over there. There's only access, everything is being done through the high side port only. And as you can see, it's still doing a little jump up and down. There's still a little moisture in the system, and there is even possibly seepage that might be happening through some of the hoses or some of the crimp fittings that is causing this. As you can see, there's 39 microns. Let me zoom in on you. So that's 39 microns right there. And we went up to 88 microns, and we're going up and down. And it's been going like this all night long. So let's see what the vacuum decay is. I'm probably gonna have to break this up into 2 minutes because it can take 15 minutes or so, 10 minutes of vacuum decay, and see where it is. Remember, this is all original hoses from 1969 or 1970. So we got 53, 54 years old hoses, O-rings, and every other component on here. The only thing that was changed was the compressor and the receiver dryer now. And so let's kill this and see where it goes. So you can see, let's kill that. 50, it's going down right now, but I'm gonna kill the vacuum. There we go, vacuum is off. Let's see where it goes to. It's gonna take a while to settle out. It's not instantaneous, and you go, wait a minute, it went up and then it went back down. It's a molecular thing with physics. I always try to tell people, think of it as a fish tank half full of water, and when you push the fish tank and then it comes to steady, the water goes up and it flows down, and it kind of goes back and forth like that until it steadies out. That's my simple way of explaining it to you. Now you can see it went up to a peak, and now it's coming back down and it's getting steady. And it looks like our vacuum decay is going to be somewhere around 400 microns. There we go. We're right around the 400 micron area. That's with somewhere between 14 and 16 hours on the vacuum pump. And that's not even the best arrangement. The best arrangement, if I got rid of the gauges and I went directly from the vacuum line, and if I went to a ball valve right to the fitting, this would even be lower. But that's good enough for, what is this? Never seen that before. Don't even know what that is. Okay, so that's our end game right there. 395 microns. So I guess that is good enough for government work after 14 to 16 hours of vacuum total runtime on the vacuum pump. See you guys later. And sometimes you could have systems that are so wet that even after 17 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, you could still have 2,000 microns because so much moisture is trapped inside the oil and rubber components and stuff like that, that you need another 24, 72 hours of vacuum to dry out a very contaminated system. See you guys later.